Hello everybody, we are a student of TLI classes. So today we are going to speak about village versus city life. So first of all I would like to say about the city life. City life is very good life and city people are very good. As you all know about the city people are literate person. They know, they have knowledge about how do we have to go to world and city. So as you all know about the city people are very intelligent and
I know city people is very intelligent, but village people also intelligent. Now time village people and city people are both equal because all people keep on taking education.
So even in city people keep on taking the education. They keep on taking the highest education.
But village people also keep on taking the education from high colleges.
As you all know about the in village area. In village area is not available the highest.
Now time village area is very good because in village area have all facilities.
I think you haven't seen attentively from of.
I have seen. According to me, village area is very good. In city people always keep on vilification with the girls. City boys are very bad.
So
they keep on doing vilification with the girls because city people don't know what is the value of girls.
So I would like to initiation about your point. As you all know about the village people and village vagrant people and vagrant boys keep on waging the girls. They don't care the girls. Just because of this.
I think city people don't care about the girls. They don't know what is the value of girls.
So as you all know about the village people and village girls village boys don't want to do care of
Do
girls.
you know what is village life? Do you know what is village life?
Yes, I know village life.
Village life is full of happiness and contentment.
So I can understand, but as you all know about the in village is not available the factory company just because they have to face the lots of problem. As you all know about the village, as you all know about the city life, as you all know about the city life, as you all know about the city life,
because in village life we do the happiness.
City people don't want to.
In village life
City people don't want to. City people don't have to face the lots of problem just because of a city.
Village people don't face the problem.
Yes, they keep on facing the lots of problem just because of their side. As you all know about the hamlet.
But now time village life is very good because in village all facilities are available.
In village.
Yes.
So have you gone their side?
Yes.
Where?
Village life is very good because
What is name of village? What is name of village? Just tell me.
City people also going to village life because village life is very good.
Just tell me.
In vacation time.
Stop. Start. Akbar start.
की विलेज लाइफ है,
विलेज लाइफ,
सिटी लाइफ,
सिटी लाइफ।
ओके। विलेज लाइफ मेरी विलेज है ना। हाँ
एक मिनट डेस्क थोड़ा आगे कर लो, ये भैया कह रहे थे ना खड़े होना आयशा।
हाँ
बहुत से इतना काफी है। आ रहे सब सही है। So hello everybody, this is Akbar and I am going to break the ice about the demise life. So do you know about the demise life? So if you know about the village life, so first of all I would like to tell you about the village areas are very good than the cities area because you also know many kind of maladies are increasing in the cities area because cities people are using the many kind of bad things, many kind of repulsive and intensive things who endorse and who boost the any kind of bad things which are totally repulsive, which are totally bad and rubbish and drastic than another things because if you know about cities area because Jack and Denzel keep on doing bad work, keep on roaming in there and they keep on making the ring wrong story in front of the any kind of bad way because you also know about it, this matter is not peeping hot matter but this matter is being peeping hot by the village by the cities people. So first of all I would like to tell you about the village
You
areas.
also say that the village life is very good than city life, right?
Yeah.
So my dear friend, I want to say that I am totally assent with you that the city life is very easy than other village. But I don't want to assent. I don't want to express my concurrence. I don't want to mention and disclose my acquiescence with you because the city life is very hard, easy, and and cup of tea because the city life
talking
because
about the
the
cup of tea.
lots of facilities,
I'm
lots
talking
of
about
amenities
the
are
cup of tea.
available in the
Because they are cup of tea life.
city
City
than
life is cup of
village.
tea. That's why amenities are increasing in that area because people are being the coach potato. People are being the lazy by sitting on there because they are doing every kind of works by the machines. They are totally dependent on the machine in the cities. That's why people are getting the many illness and people are getting the many privilege in their life. But as compared to village area and village area, people are doing good
My
works.
dear
by
friend, do
hand.
you know the ruffian and male factor boys
They are
are
only
found in
available in the
the
cities.
village.
They are only
Do you
available.
know
They are totally
lots
available
of
in the
boys,
cities.
lots of girls are smoking
About whom
in
are
the
you
village.
talking? About whom are you talking? They are totally available in the cities because you don't know about they don't know about the insanity where insanity is increasing.
Start ऐसा.
अरे आयशा क्यों करेगी?
Start.
I would like to continue my point as Mr. Samiruddin. You are saying in village girls doing smoking. So how can you say that girls
Because I
doing
have
smoking?
seen, my dear friend, I have seen.
Please tell me where you seen
I-
girls are doing smoking.
No, I'm not. So I'm not saying that because the girls are smoking because I have seen and I have a proof. I have a reference of it.
Please tell me what is proof.
Yes, I have proved that there are lot of village in that lots of girls smokes that like the Alina Zabit and other girls smokes in their village.
Okay.
I also assent with you that you do not smoke. I assent you, but I assent with you. But
you
no one of the
are saying
please let me
girls.
say.
You are
Let
saying
me
girls do
complete.
smoke.
My dear friend, let me complete. No one of the girl like you because you are. I also know that you are that you are not moral person. You are not
Yes, I know. But you are saying girls do smoke. So
Yes,
according to
also.
me, so girls also do smoke.
Yes.
Arman, start.
I would like to continue my friend point. So she was saying that in village the girls don't do the smoke, but in the village only the some girls do the smoke. But in the city, the mostly people do the smoke like the girls and the every boys and the gents do the smoke. If we know about the elder,
No, my dear friend, I
elder-
don't agree with you. Mostly
But agree the people
are doing the smoking.
mostly people.
Mostly the people are doing the smoking.
So why your friend were saying that the in village the people do the smoke? No,
So,
the
it is
city.
also- it is also.
The city life is a cup of tea, but in the village life is not a cup of tea and a piece of cake because in the village to earning the bread and butter is very hard because the farmer have to face the lot of the problem because the people
But mostly village people come the city area for the earning.
only for earning the money. But you know who gave us the food and the wheat and the
I
pulses?
am agree, my dear friend, who gave the foods and etc. things. But in this time nowadays, city life is very modern life. City life is
City
very
life
good
is modern life. I
very
accept that is come
comfortable
from the Western culture. Do you know about the
So hello everyone.
But
I
first,
was saying about the village life and city life. So I want to say that the city life is very hard than the city life. The village life is very hard than the city life because the lots of amenities and facilities
You
are
know,
available in the
village
city.
life
Then
life is very bad life because in village life people depend on technology.
Have you seen the environment of the
in
village?
village life people
Please
become
tell
a
me,
house potato.
Please tell me answer. Have you seen the environment and atmosphere of the village?
Yes.
Yes.
So how can you say that the village life is very hard? How can you say because the
I am not saying village life is hard. I am saying city life is very bad because in city life people become a couch
you
potato.
are mugging up your
No, I am not mugging up. I think you are mugging up.
because you are fault because it's your false consciousness. It's your major drawback for yourself and from your soul.
It is not my fault. I am saying that only city life is very bad life because in city life people depend on technology. That's why people become a couch potato.
I want to say that I want to put a question forward you that where are you living?
I am leaving Delhi.
Delhi is Delhi villages or city? Please.
I am not saying that.
Sani, start.
So I would like to continue my point. So city life is very good life. Nowadays city life is very modern life. In city life, so girls have to face a lots of problems because.
but in the village the girls don't have to face the lots of problem.
I
But
know.
you
I am
don't say
agree.
that
I am agree, my dear friend. Village girls have to face a lots of problems. But according according to me, city girls have to face the lots of problems in this time. Mostly village girls don't read the education.
Don't read the education. Do you know about the village? In the village, the government keep on opening the new and the best schools and the hospital only for the poor people.
But ancient time, in village areas, not was available. No, all
So
separate, not was available.
in ancient time, the city were available.
Yes.
Yes, which city?
In now time.
Which city was available in the ancient time?
And model town, Connaught Place, you are saying that you can see everywhere in Connaught Place areas are very modern areas. You can see.
So in the vintage time.
Mehraj, start. Arman.
Hello everybody. I would like to insist about your point. So you were saying that ancient time was which city was available. So my team member was saying that Connaught Place. Yes, this is right. This is accurate. As you all know about the Connaught Place. Connaught Place is
Where
ancient
you
time.
speaking the inaccurate way.
First of all, you have to speak loudly because
But loudly. Why are you speaking inaccurate?
I am not speaking inaccurate. You are
You are not speaking
Yes.
inaccurate.
Have you listened
You
my
want
point?
to only the
Have you listened my
concept
perfect- Have you listened my point perfectly?
Yes, I have listened.
So why are you twaddling?
Why I am twaddling?
Yes.
Why are you stucking?
I am stucking.
Yes, you was stucking. Why are you piping?
So first of all, you have to see. Okay, you have to see.
What I have to see?
As you all know about the in city area, area is very facility. As you all know about the.
What do you know about the?
So I have to again regard to say about the village area. So if you know about the village area,
Loud.
if you know about the village areas, so people are living in the hotbed condition by facing the many kind of problems and many kind of purpose and hassle by the business people. Because if you know about the many kind of maladies are increasing in the cities, because as compared to village areas, because you also know about the village areas, downtrodden and afflicted and infested people are facing the music and feeling the pinch now time. Because you also know about the village are the cream of the crop for all over the India, for around the cosmos. Because if you know about the India is the best farmer country, because India is the conventional country around the cosmos. So if you know about the village area, village are cream of the crop for anyone. Because I would like to tell you about the village areas are totally free from the greeneries, but in the cities greeneries are being destroyed and by the part people and Akok in the wheel person who want to be the success in their life by hook by
My dear friend, you want to say that the skating and influence of the village life is very easy, right?
Village life is not very easy. But in the cities people are depend on the machines and every kind of chemicals and every kind of bad food which have been made by the chemicals, by the injections.
So you
Why are you boosting the injection? Why are you boosting of the chemicals which made by the berserk and every kind of clerk people?
So what do you want to say? Do you want to say that the village life is easy, a cup of tea, or want to say, or
I'm not talking about the village life is cup of tea. Village life is not cup of tea. Village life is not cup of tea. Village life is not cup of tea. That's why I'm supporting of the village life. But in the cities area, people are using the technology. They have used the technology for doing the all over the world. That's why many kind of downtrodden people.
My dear friend, the technology is used by the villagers. And do you know the villagers keep on misusing the technology.
I think
and
I haven't gone.
Yes, I haven't gone the village. That's why I'm saying that.
Farmers are using the machine for growing the vegetables, for making
My
any
dear
kind of
friend,
good
do you
things.
know about the
But in
mobile?
the cities area,
Answer me.
many kind of
Hello.
net is being used for doing the bad work, for making the handy